Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a couple years ago. This is 20th anniversary for her, and I got this image today, and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter code to find edges. And I want to try something like oil paint like image from these two images. Well, let's get started. I'm going to duplicate this layer and I'm going to smudge on this image first. Okay, select oil paint brush, oil paint round, no ink, just texture of the brush. Well, a little bit bigger size. I have a little more white border, so I'm going to paint on white. Okay, no ink. A little bit space on top, I think. Okay, now I'm going to change the brush to oil paint flat or background, just to get a texture of the brush texture on the print, on the image. And I'll go from outside. A little bit bigger size to get some interesting oil paint like texture. Now I go for details, so using that small size of the brush, getting to model subject. A little bit be careful with the details, outlines and stuff. Yeah, chunky has nice texture, I guess. For here. Okay, change to oil paint detail. Okay, change to oil paint filbert. This is kind of soft brush, I know. Then just no color smudging, soften up. Let's see, change to detail. Now almost done for smudging. Alright, let's see. Touch up some details and stuff. Alright. Now next. Well, let's see about this pencil drawing type image. Turn it on. Then change blend mode. Let's see. color gets dark, so I'm going to tone down. I made the illustration type image the other day. I think I used some kind of overlay or something last time, but I want to try a different one today because the base image is kind of oil paint textured, so I don't know what it looks like. Luminosity, maybe that's one. This one looks some kind of illustration. I kind of like the image, huh? Even the oil paint base still looks nice, I think. Well, let's make it 90%. Then maybe use this luminosity to make mask or something. Maybe. Yeah, let's try that. Just remember now, luminosity 90%. And also a different one was color burn. A little bit heavy look, huh? Now let's see. Linear burn shows more dark image, dark outlines and stuff. So maybe I can use this. As a variation, I'm gonna make this image, then maybe add some light color or make mask to show up face and some part. Just leave this dark lines. Okay, try this first. Well, one is, in this case, kind of dark lines, leave that. Okay, try one image. Select multiple, choose two of them, pencil drawing tab and smudge the image. Then duplicate layers. Now I got the one group and make. Okay, this is for one image, so just put it in one folder. Then other images, I'm going to turn it off. Turn it down. We don't see much, and I don't use this empty layer, so I'm going to delete this. Then I'm going to work on this. Okay, ungroup layers. We see two of them. Then I'm going to make mask. Create empty mask. Then hide some from her face and stuff. Use the brush. Well, basic to soft round size flow. I'm gonna hide this black, maybe about 50%. Soft round opacity to take this black dot out. Then maybe if I take out everything goes no dark, it's not kind of dull image, so I'm gonna reveal later. Like, let's see. Now it's hiding. Now shows this black lines. Her shadow area. So leave it. Yeah, kind of balance. Touch, leave it black lines, then hide some. Yeah, about this. But this area is fine. And I want to touch up on this base image. Also, I want to take this earring hole. I don't want to show this. No. Okay. And also I wanna maybe some touch up on this base image with, let's see, same oil paint, filbert. Pick up some color, light color. Okay, just leave this one. I go Okay, now I can. Alright, we have this much pencil drawing type image is here. So to show this pencil drawing type image, I'm gonna make mask on this base image. Create empty mask, then invert mask. Now how much shall I reveal from this image? Let's see. Soft round, size flow. We're gonna show her face. Then some of kimono and the background colors, photo frames. Well, let's make it more interesting. Brush texture. Well, we can find something like, let's see, painting. Well, how about impressionist? Well, impressionist. How do you feel impression? Now I want to lighten up her face. So, okay, on this layer, this is the base image. Appearance is, well, brightness, contrast, effect under layer. Well, this is the very bottom, so doesn't matter. Well, anyways, let's see, I want to make mask. Then invert mask. Now use a soft, well, size flow, now soft round opacity. Okay. Okay. Then brightness, contrast. This much, not much. Yeah, I guess that's it. Well, okay, this is the base image. Then this is pencil drawing type image. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and I guess that's it for today. And well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Have a good one.